Good morning, dear students. Let us have a discussion on a few important plants that has been described in Ayurveda. So, among the drugs to be discussed in today's class, the first is displayed on the screen. Here, this is called Mulaka. 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 Here, another representation of Mulaka. Radish is useful in treating diabetes, fever, cold, cough, asthma, allergic conditions, throat disorders. Its flowers, fruit, and seeds are also used for medicinal purpose. Fresh radish is one among those substances advised to be had on daily basis as per Ayurveda. Botanical name is Raphanus sativus. It belongs to family Pesicaceae, and some authors opine that it belongs to Cruciferae. Regarding the habit of Mulaka, it is an annual herb. Stem is 20 to 100 centimeter high, fistular, glabrous or hispid, often purple colored. Leaves. Lower leaves are seen as hairy petioles of 3 to 5 centimeter long, lyrate pinnatified. Terminal lobes are suborbicular or shortly ovate. Margin is crenate. Lateral lobes are alternate, oblong, ovate, dentate, and subentire. Upper leaves are having shorter petiole, 2 to 1 jugat, means in pairs of 2 or 1 in pairs of 1. Terminal lobes oblong, ovate, margin is coarsely dentate, inflorescence raceme with 8 to 30 flowers. Now regarding part use or specific part of Mulaka, the root, leaf and seed are being used for medicinal purposes in Ayurveda. It is indicated in Jwara or fever, Swasa or asthma, Nasa Roga, diseases of nose, Kantha Roga, throat disorders, Akshiroga and eye disorders. Now on the screen you can see another plant called Murva. 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 Murva, Marstenia tenacissima, is a plant mentioned in Ayurveda for its action in treating diseases due to impure blood, skin diseases, jaundice, and fever. Latin name is Marstenia tenacissima, and it has synonyms of Clematis triloba. It belongs to family Asclepiadaceae. Murva is an extensive twining shrub which is found all over India, having milky exudate. The leaf is velvety in nature and 5 to 7 inches in length and 3 to 5 inches in width. The flowers are greenish yellow. The fruits grow up to 5 inches long. The roots are cylindrical, yellow colored inside with dark brown patches and slightly bitter in taste. Part used of Murva is root. Indications of Murva as per Ayurveda are Kushtha, skin diseases, Asra, blood disorders such as abscesses, skin disorders, bleeding disorders such as menorrhagia, nasal bleeding, etc. Meda, obesity, cholesterol. Meha, diabetes and urinary tract disorders. Vami is vomiting, Jwara is fever, Mukha is dryness of mouth, and Krimi is worm infestation. Now, here on the screen, this beautiful herb is known as Nagavala. Nagabala. Nagavala. Nagavala is an Ayurvedic herb used for relieving Vata imbalance, for aphrodisiac and rejuvenative effects. Its botanical name is Sida verunicifolia. Now, There are many herbs used as Nagavala. They are Grevia populifolia, Sida spinosa, Eurena lobata, Grevia hirsota. Overall, it has been decided that Nagavala is Sida heronicifolia, and the most widely used term Grevia hirsota species is Gangeruki in Ayurveda. The herb Sida heronicifolia is distributed all over India. Now, regarding habit of the drug Nagavala, which is Sida veronicifolia, is a hairy herb with coarsely grey, brown-colored hairy branches. Leaves are cordate, ovate, and sparingly split with 6 to 14 cm length and 2 to 3.5 cm in width. Flowers are axillary, solitary, or borne in pairs or in small cymes. Color of flower is white, gradually turns yellow, and brown color appear when they are fully grown. Fruits are small sized and also yellow in color. Seeds are of brown color. Herbs bear the fruits and flower throughout the year. Now it belongs to family Malvaceae. The parties of the drug Nagavala are whole plant, but mainly and especially in many medicinal preparations, roots are being widely used. Now, regarding the indications of Nagavala, the first one is Rakta Padara, that is menorrhagia or heavy menstruation, Amla Pitta gastritis, Urakshata, that is injury to the chest, Shosha is emaciation or depletion of the dhatus, Shukra Durvalya is weakness of the sperms, Mutrakrishya is dysuria or painful micturition, Jwara is fever, Hridroga is disease of the heart, Rakta Pitta are bleeding disorders, Brana and Chata, that is injurious ulcers. Then Nadi Durvalya, it is weakness of nerves or neuropathy, Vatavyati or Vatic disorders. Now here on the screen you have a familiar drug called Nala, N-A-L-A. Nala or Arundodonex is an Ayurvedic grass mentioned for the treatment of burning sensation of body, herpes, improving of breast milk in lactating women, skin diseases, and in conditions of burning urination. Its Latin name or botanical name is Arundodonex. It is also known as Arundodonex variegata synonymously. It belongs to family Poaceae. Now, regarding habit of the drug Nala, is a herb growing to a height of 2 to 4 meters. The stem of the plant resembles that of sugarcane with pale yellow color and is hollow inside. The leaves resemble that of bamboo plant, 1 to 2 feet in length and 1 to 2 inches wide and hair-like structures at the base. The flower stalk is 1 to 2 foot long, pale brown color. Seeds are flat and oval. The plant is found all over India in the hilly regions. Part used of Nala is root. Indications of Arundodonex are Thrit Arti, means cardiac pain, Basti Shula, abdominal colicky pain along with bladder pain, Yoni Shula, vaginal pain, Mutrakrishya, dysuria or urinary retention, Daha, burning sensation as in gastritis, neuropathy, burning sensation of eyes, and Bisharpa related to herpes or herpes simplex and herpes zoster. Now, the screen up the described plant is Narikela, Narikela. Narikela, Coccus nucifera, commonly known as coconut, is described in Ayurveda for its therapeutic benefit in the conditions of hyperacidity, burning micturition, retention of urine, provide physical strength, burning sensation of body during measles and herpes, diarrhea, thirst, and other gynecological disorders. Its botanical name is Coccus nucifera and it belongs to family Ericaceae. Regarding habit of the drug Narikela, grows to a height of 20 to 25 meter with a diameter of 1 to 2 feet. The trunk is pale black to brownish colored. The leaves are 10 to 20 feet long and the leaflets are 2 to 3 feet long. The flowers are yellowish colored. The fruit has fibrous covering and hard brown external layer. Inside of the fruit has a soft white creamy layer which becomes slightly hard and on ripening the fruit. Tender fruit has sweet water inside. The fruit is actually a drupe and not a nut. Part used of the drug are fruit kernel, flower, oil, root, fruit shell. Now, indications of tender coconut water. It is indicated in Trishna, excessive thirst, Daha, burning sensation, as in gastritis, neuropathy, burning sensation of eyes, etc. Pittahara, useful in pitta imbalance disorders such as gastritis, burning sensation, etc. Coconut milk is Brishya, aphrodisiac. It improves the vigor. Snigdha, unctuous and oily. Guru, heavy to digest and slightly hot. Balya, improves strength and immunity. Ruchya, improves taste, relieves anorexia. Kasahara, useful in cough and cold. Hence, coconut milk is indicated in Kandu, itching and pruritus. Kotha, ringworm. Raktapitta, bleeding disorders such as nasal bleeding and heavy periods. Coconut flowers are indicated in Rakta Atisara, bleeding disorders, blood with stools as in case of ulcerative colitis. Gulma, bloating and abdominal tumor. Jwara is fever. Daha is burning sensation. Now, juice extracted from bark, which is called Palkala Rasa, is Deepana, improves digestion strength, and it is indicated in Grahani, that is irritable bowel syndrome, sprue, altering diarrhea and constipation like diseases, Anaha, bloating and fullness. So thank you so much.